Great tips for cooking with seasonal backyard vegetables. When it comes to cooking, you are extremely comfortable with your skills and love the food that you make. But for some reason, not everybody that eats your food feels the same way. Follow some of the tips provided, and you will find that you will be able to improve on your already honed skills. Always bake pie and tart crusts for longer than the recipe specifies for best results. It will help if you achieve a darker, more delicious golden caramel color, rather than stopping when the crust is still pale. The color on your pie signifies that the caramelizing process is complete in your crust, yielding a scrumptious dessert. When you have a really important occasion where you are going to be cooking for someone that you love or your boss, try to stick to a food that you know will turn out good. This is not the time to be trying new things, as you want to be certain it comes out right. Make sure that when you are making your pasta, not to use oil in the water upon cooking. This will reduce the risk that the pasta will stick to the sauce, which can ruin the quality of your meal. Avoid oil and water when you are cooking pasta for maximum results. When you are going to the store, do not always have a large shopping list that can restrain you to just getting certain items. See what you like and what you are in the mood for and purchase based on that. This will give you the spontaneity to cook whatever you choose. If you are planning on grilling, make sure that you take your steaks out of the freezer at least 1 hour before you cook so that they can match the room temperature. This will allow you to cook them easier and achieve the quality that you are looking for by cooking them on the grill. One of the best things that you can do for your cooking is to watch cooking shows during the course of the day. Pick up on what the professionals are doing and implement that into your routine if you want to achieve the best possible results for your dishes. Tips from other people can serve you well while cooking. Cleaning fish or shrimp is a messy task and leaves a distinctive smell on your hand for at least a day. There is an effective way of removing the smell. Squish a few fresh strawberries between your fingers for a couple of minutes and rinse your hand with soapy water. The smell will disappear instantly. Slice garlic when you sauté it. Many people mince garlic. If you plan to sauté it in a pan, this might not be the best idea. When you sauté minced garlic, it is likely to burn. If you cut the garlic into slices, it cooks more thoroughly and without burning. Marinate meat in a bag. A lot of recipes call for meat to be marinated in a dish for a few hours, turning occasionally. This can be frustrating, as the meat is never completely coated by the marinade. A better way is to throw the meat and marinade in a Ziploc bag. Remove as much air as possible, and shake well to coat the meat. Place it in the fridge and simply flip the bag occasionally. In conclusion, you need to know that there is always room for improvement when it comes to cooking. Thank you for watching another Unstoppable Intellect video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help keep the channel growing. Knowledge is power. Together, we'll make you truly unstoppable.